Welcome to Mind Blazed. In this video, I'm going to explain life cycle of a project using Git. So, life cycle begins by first initializing or cloning the repository. This can be done using git init to initialize the repository or git clone to clone the repository if the repository already exists. After you have cloned or initialized the repository, now you want to make changes to the files in your project. After you have changes to the files in the project, now you want to commit them. So before committing, you need to take them into the staging area. We will use the second command, that is git add file name. If you want to insert a single file, if you want to insert the whole repository, you can just git add dot or git add full stop. Any of them will take the initial stages of the file into the staging area. The staging area is the intermediate area between the initial files and the final commit. So after the files are in the staging area, now you want to commit those files. Here we come to step number 4. The fourth step is to commit the files. You can commit the files by using the command git commit -m, a message in double quotes. This message is associated with the unique ID that you are committing the files to. Now that you have committed your files, you would want to upload it to a server if you are running a production grade software, or if you want to deploy it on a web server. So to do that, you can use the command git push origin master if you want to push it to the master branch. Those were the 5 steps of project life cycle using Git. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.